Problem set 8. Problem set question number 8. Segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC. AE is a bisector of angle BAC and CED are collinear point. To prove that angle DAE is half of angle B minus angle C. There is a correction in the textbook. It is angle B minus angle C. Proof. AE is a bisector of angle BAC. So that means angle BAE is congruent to angle BAE is congruent to angle EAC. This is because AE is the bisector of angle BAC. Now in triangle ADB, the sum of measures of angles of a triangle ADB is 180 degree. That means angle ADB plus angle B plus angle BAD is 180 degree for this triangle ADB. Therefore, but ADB is 90. And therefore, angle B plus angle BAD is equal to 90 degree because 180 minus 90 is 90. And therefore, angle B is 90 degree minus angle BAD. But look in the figure. BAD. Can I write BAD as BAE minus DAE? 90 degree minus angle BAE minus angle DAE. 90 degree minus, take minus inside the bracket, angle BAE plus angle DAE. Put 1. Now similarly, take triangle ADC. Same property, sum of measures of angles of triangle ADC is 180 degree. Angle ADC plus angle C plus angle DAC 180 degree. The same reason, but angle ADC is 90. Take 90 to the other side. Angle C plus angle DAC is 90 degree. So this means angle C is 90 degree minus angle DAC. Now look in the figure. Angle DAC is angle DAE plus angle EAC. Angle addition property. Angle DAE plus angle EAC. Take minus inside the bracket. Minus angle DAE minus angle EAC. Second. Now subtract first and second. Angle B minus angle C. Angle B is 90 degree minus angle BAE plus angle DAE minus. Now when you write for angle C, you have to put a bracket. 90 degree minus angle DAE minus angle EAC. This is from 1 and 2. You are subtracting 1 and 2. 90 degree minus angle BAE plus angle DAE. Take minus inside the bracket. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus. minus minus plus. 90 90 cancel out. Now from first, BAE is same as EAE. This is from 1. Sorry, put this as second and this as third, because I have already taken 1. So in place of BAE, I can write EAC minus angle EAC plus DAE is 2 times angle DAE plus angle EAC. This is from 1. Angle EAC get cancelled out, 2 angle DAE, and therefore take 2 to the other side, half of angle B minus angle C. So this is what we require. Here it is 2 and here it is 3. So first, AE is a bisector and therefore we get BAE congruent to angle EAC. BAE congruent to angle EAC, because AE is a bisector of angle BAC. Then we have taken triangle ADB and apply the property that sum of measure of all angles of a triangle ADB is 180 degree. So angle ADB plus angle B plus angle BAD is 180 degree, but angle ADB is 90. Take 90 to the other side. So 180 minus 90 is 90. Now take BAD to the other side. 90 minus angle BAD. But angle BAD, if you look at the figure, angle BAD is angle BAE minus DAE. This is angle addition property. BAD is BAE minus DAE. Put that in bracket. Take minus inside the bracket. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus. This is second. Now similarly, consider triangle ADC. Apply the same property. Angle ADC plus angle C plus angle DAC is 180 degree. But angle ADC is 90. Take 90 to the other side. 180 minus 90 is 90. Now take DAC to the other side. But angle DAC is DAE plus EAC. This property is called as angle addition property. Put that in bracket. DAE plus angle EAC. Take minus inside the bracket. Minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Put it as third. Now subtract 2 and 3. Angle B minus angle C, because I need angle B minus angle C. So subtract 2 and 3. 2 is 90 minus angle BAE plus angle DAE minus, when you write for angle C, put that in bracket. From third we get 90 minus angle DAE minus angle EAC. Now take minus inside the bracket. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus minus plus. 90 will get cancel out. Angle DAE plus angle DAE is 2 times angle DAE. Now angle BAE. Angle BAE is same as angle EAC, because AE is a bisector. So in place of angle BAE, substitute angle EAC. This is from 1. So angle EAC also get cancel out. We get angle DAE. Now take 2 to the other side. So angle DAE is equal to half of angle B minus angle C. This is what we need to prove.